Be sure to check out my book in the description below if you want to support this channel. And I have been building tree houses for a long, long time. This is one you'll see a glimpse of upcoming in this video with a little tip on treehouse building, especially with windows and tough techs. I specialize in budget building. The other one, you can see a couple tree houses I've done here and also do a lot of hands-on workshops. The 101 stuff, telling people, showing people, giving them hands-on experience in regards to how to build tree houses. This is one I built for a police officer's kids. And we have a workshop coming up where you will build alongside us. We have a guest host as well, Alex Eves, reuse expert and director of Box Truck Film, a reuseful home based on building tiny houses. So it's a tiny house and tree house building workshop. Here's one we did in Seattle. That will be coming up soon, showing you all the crazy concept sketches I do and plans. Coming up in Alabama, May 14th through the 15th. Details down below in the description. And this is a treehouse I'm currently finishing. I made the mistake of taking on one last treehouse in the winter up here in New England. In this clip, it's nice and sunny out, but right now we are buried in snow. What I'm about to show you shortly is a technique I use for simple windows and a means to prop them open, as you will see. Left that little sticker there, by the way, as a joke, because clearly it's not secured by ADT. And it's just a shell, but it's starting to come together. Got these reused windows in. Buddy of mine, shout out to Wayne Carlson, took these out of a house. Instead of dumping them, every once in a while we'll barter for things like this or trade, or he gave me these, I believe, in this case, and I have a ton of these and I use them all the time. Got to clean them up. This is something I talk about, the simplicity of little things like this. In Micro Shelters, Micro Living, my books, link down below in the description. This is that multi-wall from Tough Techs. It's lightweight, I love it. It's like greenhouse wall stuff. Tough to do this one-handed. So I'll step back, show you. Little railings so kids don't fall out there. But this swings open, and this little scrap piece just pivots. And when it sits flat, holds that open. Worst they can have, if it slips, this weighs like nothing. If it falls back down, and that won't fall down all the way because it hits the rim of this stuff here and only descends, you know, a few feet, and we're like 10 feet in the air. Get some ventilation here. You can put a screen there as well. Big overhang, so no water's ever gonna come in through here either.